gas inside of it. In order to turn this light bulb on, you have to give energy to that gas and turn it into a plasma. Now there's two ways we can do that. We can plug it into electricity, or you can put it next to an electric field. We said that there's an electric field all around this globe here. So let's see what happens if I put it next to this stuff. Yeah, so you can see that even though it's not touching the plasma globe, an electric field is giving energy to the gas atom inside the light bulb, and it's turning it into a plasma, so it's turning it on. Alright? So this is just a small example of a plasma. I guarantee you've definitely seen plasma before. Has anyone ever been outside before? Yeah, obviously, right? What's the name of that big ball of light in the sky? Yeah, the sun. So the sun is made out of plasma. The sun being a star, all stars are made out of plasma. Has anyone ever seen lightning before? Yeah, so lightning's also made out of plasma. And as you can tell from all those examples, plasma might be a little bit dangerous. So for the rest of our experiment today, we're going to be working with solids, liquids, and gases. But in order to do my experiments, I brought some interesting matter along with me that too can sometimes be dangerous. I have to wear some safety goggles and gloves. And actually I need everybody off the carbon, perfect, thank you. Just because I don't want any of this stuff splashing on you. And one thing all scientists do is that they look at the world around them and they ask questions and make observations. So I want you all to be good scientists and make some observations about this matter that I've poured into this beaker here. So can somebody raise their hand and tell me one thing that you see about this matter here? Yes. Alright, so liquid at the bottom, alright? Gas coming out the top. Alright, so you see that on here? I just want to know what you actually see on it. What do you actually see? Yeah, some smoke coming out the top. Alright, so fog. What's it doing? Does it just sit in there, or what's the liquid look like it's doing? Yeah, it's moving, right? It's kind of bubbling. Yeah, it's popping, bubbling. Alright, so it might look like it's boiling. There's a quick and easy way we can tell whether or not this liquid is boiling. And so the special device we have here at Liberty Science Center, known as a teapot. And you've probably seen this before, so you all know how it works, right? You put a liquid inside, you heat up the liquid, and when the liquid starts to boil, this teapot makes a noise. Can anyone make the noise that the teapot makes when the liquid inside starts to boil? Yeah, exactly. It makes a high-pitched whistling noise. So you know what? If I put this liquid into this teapot, and it makes that whistling noise, we'll know that this liquid is boiling. So let's see. So yes or no, is the liquid boiling? Yeah, definitely, because this teapot's making this whistling noise. Now, if this teapot was in your kitchen on top of your stove, would you touch it?
No.
Yeah, definitely not. But you know, since we're at Liberty Science Center, we're going to do an experiment, and I'm going to need 6 volunteers who are brave enough to touch this boiling teapot. And if you're ready to volunteer, put your hands down so we give everyone a chance here. Come right here. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Alright, so just stand and turn and face the audience. Come on a little closer. Turn and face the audience. Perfect. Let me get some names here. Your name? Marshall, your name? Darius, your name? Marshall, your name? Daniel, your name? Sandy, your name? Scotty? Alright. Alright, so you know what, we gotta be real careful how we touch this boiling teapot. So I want everyone to stick up 2 fingers. Now I'm gonna come around. All you gotta do is quickly tap the bottom. Don't say how it feels so everyone's got a chance to touch it, alright? Go ahead. Alright, on the count of 3, I want you to shout whether it's hot or cold. 1, 2, 3. Cold. But you know what, scientists always repeat their experiments, so go ahead and tap it one more time, just to make sure. And one away. Hot or cold? Cold. Give them all a big round of applause. Good job. You can sit back down. Great job. Sit back down. All right. So, can anyone explain this?